In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see blocked list on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app, and once it is done, tap right here to go to your TikTok profile page. After that, tap right here at these three lines and then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, tap at Privacy and then scroll down to the very bottom until you find Blocked Accounts. That's where we can easily find all the accounts we have blocked on TikTok, and from here we can either keep them blocked or we can unblock any account simply by tapping at Unblock button next to it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.